Hey, advisory group. It's Tuesday, and even though we're not going to be meeting out here, I look out into the empty space out there and miss the times that we have to be able to just sit down and talk and share with each other. I just want you guys to know that I pray for you and think about you often. And especially today, I miss these times that we have, the discussions that we have. My heart is with you. I hope your families are doing fantastic and you guys are all healthy and your work and things are flowing good. Um, I wanted to read a devotion to you, but let me just pray. And then I'll read this devotion from Oswald Chambers. It's great. It talks about the spontaneous nature of love. And hopefully, this will be an encouragement for you today. Father, I just thank you for these guys. I thank you for our advisory group. It seems like it was just yesterday that we started, and we've had some people come and we've had some people go. And we have a core group that has been here the whole time. And so, Lord, we're just thankful that we have been able to grow together, sometimes have challenging questions, sometimes really not sure exactly what we're to do with it, but more than anything else, just a chance to be together and to share together. So I pray for each one of them. I pray for their families and just that you would bless them. Lord, be with us even in this brief moment as we listen to this devotional and to see how our hearts might be touched to serve you better. So I pray for the guys in the name of your son. Amen. Okay, so this is Oswald Chambers. And this, my utmost for his highest. It's large print so that I can read it. That's the cover. Okay, so this is for April. It's actually, I'm going way ahead, but I like this one. This is from April 30th in his book. And it says, love suffers long and is kind. And that's something to really think about when our hearts, when we think about what love is and how we're supposed to care for people, especially at a time like this, I think it can be very difficult. Love is not predetermined, it is spontaneous. That is, it bursts forth in extraordinary ways. There is nothing of precise certainty in Paul's description of love. We cannot predetermine our thoughts and actions saying, now I will never think of any evil thoughts, and I will believe everything that Jesus would have me to believe. No. The characteristic of love is spontaneity. We don't deliberately set the statements of Jesus before us as our standard, but when his spirit is having his way with us, we live according to his standard even without realizing it. I love that. When God's spirit is in us, those are the things that take control of us. And when we look back and are amazed how unconcerned we have been over our emotions, which is the very evidence that the real spontaneous love was there. The nature of everything involved in the life of God in us is only discerned when we have been through it, and it is part of our past. And so just thinking about the ways that God has walked with us. The fountains from which love flows are in God, not in us. It is absurd to think that the love of God is naturally in our hearts as a result of our own nature. His love is only there because it has been poured out into our hearts by the Holy Spirit. That's Romans 5:5. So you can look that up and check it out. If we try to prove to God how much we love him, it is a sure sign that we don't really love him. Something to think about. The evidence of our love for him is the absolute spontaneity of our love, which flows naturally from his nature within us. And when we look back, we will not only be able to determine why we did certain things, but we can know that we did them according to the spontaneous nature of his love in us. The life of God exhibits itself in this spontaneous way because the fountains of his love are in the Holy Spirit. Hopefully that's an encouragement. I know it's kind of deep and there's a lot of theological thought, but I just wanted to encourage you guys. God is there. He's available for us. And he just has that consistency and availability, even in times like this, which is so strange, just the way the year is going. But we know this is something he had planned, and I think that my prayer is that we can be strong and be able to support each other. So I just want to hope you have a great day today. I truly do miss not seeing you guys, but your pictures are in my mind, and my heart is with you. So take care and have a great day. Bye for now.